some cornmeal dumpling. Right. Sieve the cornmeal. Get rid of any unwanted elements. Any weevil, because weevil love cornmeal. Weevil love cornmeal. I have to put this away from weevil, but just to be on the safe side, just sieve it out in case. So I put some white flour. So if it's a hard working man, right, these are the kind of food we're supposed to eat. A real cornmeal flour dumpling, make it strong like a lion. Add some salt. About half a tablespoon of salt. Right. Keep the dumpling taste mix that together.
Need up me flour every minute, every hour. We no deal with politics, no show and no power. Need up the flour every minute, every hour. We need them can't come devour no higher. Boom. Need it we a go, need it up. Need it up we a go, need it up. Need it up like a 7-Up and need it up we just a need it up. Freestyle and need it up. Need it up, show YouTube, need it up. Real Jamaican stuff. So need up the flour every minute, every hour. We them can't come devour, we not deal with power. Need up the flour every minute, every hour. We them can't come devour, no power, no shower. Need up the flour, yo.
Yeah man, so flour needing. Right, needing flour. With them can't come devour. Right. Yeah man. Ready. Yeah man, so going to add our salt. Right. Add about half a tablespoon of salt, as we already have salt to the dumpling. Right, so we just need about half a tablespoon of salt. Right. Just to give the food some taste. Right, not much salt. Yeah. Cover that up and leave that, let it boil. Right, so keep watching. You know, we don't reach now yet. Keep watching, man. Leave a comment and let me know what you think so far. Yeah man, so Pot is bubbling. Right. Ready for some dumpling, banana and pumpkin. Yeah man. Zine, so time to add our dumpling. Right, so we're going to add our dumpling first. So we just half mask the pot. Right, half mask the pot like that. Ready to add our dumpling. Add our dumpling first, because the dumpling take some time to boil, right? So we just, want some nice size dumplings, so pull out your palm like that, put it in there, and just full up your palm size dumpling, right? Palm size. So that is how we're gonna do that, palm size, right? Yeah man, so stretch out your flour like that. Now we are not dopey bat. We are not doormat. Ready to launch the attack. Just like that. Right? So I already show you guys how to make dumpling in a previous video, so you can check that out. Right, how to cook boiled dumpling. Irish potato and pumpkin, so you can watch that one. Right. With food. No ramp with food. Yeah man, we no ramp with food. No, we no ramp with food. Yo, food every day, food every night. Make you feel good, make you alright, make you feel happy every day of your life. Food is the staff of life. Food make you alright. Eat food, then you see the light. Food. All night, we no ramp with food. No ramp with food. You mad? We no ramp with food. No. Food is the stuff of life. Boom. Yeah man, so as you put the dumpling in the pot, right, you want to stir. Right, and the reason why you stir, you don't want the dumpling to stick to the pot bottom. Right, so you just give it a stir. Right, leave it to boil. Right, so for the dumpling to fully cook, boil for about 30 minutes. Right, so I'm gonna leave that to boil. Prepare our banana. Right, so the first thing you put in is the dumpling, which take longer to cook. Right. If you have yam, you put in the yam along with the dumpling. Any food that is hard to cook, the yam, dashi and stuff like that, you put it in first. Right? Anything that is easier to cook, like Irish potato, sweet potato, stuff like that, now you put it in last. Pumpkin. Right, so yeah man. Green banana. most people don't like to cook green banana cause especially female cause they say green banana stainy. I show you a trick how you deal with green banana. We have some fry oil left over in our dust pot, so we just pour some in our middle like that. Right, and rub it up. Right, you get a knife, rub up your knife as well. This is how you deal with green banana. Right. Yeah man, I'll get rid of the stain. Right, you don't feel no pain. You mad? Yeah man, so roll the green banana and bust off the head. Mark him in the middle. We don't play no skipping in the middle. So we deal with green banana business. So you just use a big finger and just peel the skin. Right. So you deal with green banana, brother. Right, take off what's left. See there? Nice and pretty. Right. Nice and pretty. So water in this. Drop the banana in this. Put some water in this. Then we drop the banana in this. The girl them love how we crisp. When we drop the banana in this and put some water in this. The girl want hug we and kiss. Put some water in this. Drop the banana in this. Look how we nice and crisp. The girl them want hug and want kiss. Boom. So patience is a virtue, so when you're dealing with the food, especially banana, you don't want to break it, so you take your time. Right? Take your own little sweet time, you don't need any rush. Just take your time and peel the skin. Right? Use your thumb, just take your time and peel the skin off the banana. Right? Take your time, just peel the skin. Right, and you get it easy. Alright, but it takes years of practicing, right, to become perfect. Alright, so all time people used to say hard piece of the banana skin to prevent the stain. Alright, but it don't really work. Alright, but I'm just going to add it. Just for old time's sake, but don't really work great. Right, so to prevent the stain, you know, we just add wash off a piece of the banana skin clean, add it to the pot. Right. One chiffon butter. Right, so you just add about half a teaspoon in your pot and that take care of the banana stain. Right? Yeah man. So I'm going to run food man. So we do some boom. Drop a banana in that. Look how the pot real hot. So give it an next stir, right? I want to leave the banana on top. Don't want the banana to go to the bottom and get crushed and break. So just leave them on top. Right, let them stay on top. Water bubble. Water bubble. Water bubble. Cause be a trouble. Water bubble. Water bubble. Water bubble. Pan the double, Look on the steam a come out of the pot. Look on the pot does a bubble like that. The girl them said, them love half with pot. Which pot? The teapot, boom. Pot a bubble. Bad star.
Pot a bubble, you know. Pot a bubble and a cause be a trouble. Alright, so I do a banana. Right. Pot a bubble up. Yeah. So we're gonna wash our pumpkin and do a pumpkin. Yeah man, so we have a nice pretty pumpkin. Yeah. Very nice and lovely. Add our pumpkin. Right. Want to leave the pumpkin on top. Leave the pumpkin on top. Right, because the pumpkin break easily. Pot look full up. A whole heap of food to go in my stomach. Alright, so you just give it a slight stir. Alright, don't disturb the banana, don't break them. Alright, try to find some space for the pumpkin. Just add a pot cover, half mass cover, you know? Yeah man, leave it on medium flame. Make it go and cook. Yeah man, things are going on. Things are going for a pot, you know? See, big things are going, pot a bubble. Yeah man, so water dry out. Water is drying out of the pot, so pot ready. Fork is penetrating the pumpkin. Right. Yeah man, so this ready. Dumpling cook, banana pumpkin cook. Right. You really like Freddy and the chicken no gone on it. Food cook already. Right. Yeah man, so we're halfway there. Dumpling and banana and pumpkin ready. You know. So dumpling man, love dumpling. Can't eat a lot of dumpling like one time, but I love a dumpling. Mash up about 3 dumplings. Yes, you know, potland, everything ready. Right. Gonna test it out and see what it is like. Right. Don't like to do these tasting. Right. Because, you know, it's not really my thing. When you try the recipe and test it by yourself, you will be the better judge. Alright, test it out and see what's going on.
Yeah, man. See that? Dumpling give me the shivers. That's how sweet it is. You know? Yeah, man. Test beside banana and so on. Yeah, man. This banana kind of hard, but just the way I like it. You know? Check out the pumpkin now. Man, pumpkin kind of watery, but can't live with it. Right. Subscribe, try the recipe, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and tap that bell for more videos. Alright? Respect.